right, man, getting back to the sneaker pickups. I got a new pair in. This is actually in from Champ Sports. It's a surprise delivery, and this sneaker actually already released. It's sold out. Well, it's released a few times now, and usually it sells out. Oh, actually, you know what? I have two new pickups. I have another pair that I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on. So, two new pickups here, and they're actually both from Champ Sports. This first pair that I'm gonna show you is really special to me because it's a pair of sneakers that I'll tell the story once I show you guys the sneaker. I don't need to prolong this at all. This second pair is really dope, and it's my first time trying out this specific shoe, but let's stick with this first pair. You already know, man. You already know. We've got the Air Max 97 in gold. So these were a surprise delivery from Champ Sports, and I was expecting a pair of Air Max sneakers, but I was not expecting these, and honestly, I did not even know that they were restocking. So quick story about these 97s, and then I'll get into the second pair. Back in the day, I was like way into skateboarding sneakers. That was the only shoe that I was wearing. Like my parents were buying me Vans, and that was pretty much it. When I started skateboarding a lot more, I would get into like DC's, Etnies, Osiris sneakers, S, the first Eric Costin shoes, and I really wasn't checking for Nikes. And then I came across this mom and pop store that had a pair of these on the shelf. Again, not checking for Air Max sneakers, but they literally jumped off the shelf at me. I was like, damn, what the hell is that sneaker? It was crazy. I was like, what is that? It's an all gold sneaker. I didn't even know what they were. Literally, I was just trying to buy the shoe. I asked them for my size, and it was actually on sale, and they only had a 9.5. I was a size 11 at the time. There was no way I was gonna fit my foot into that sneaker. So I was searching for it, and I just couldn't find this shoe in any other stores. They were on eBay, but at the time they were probably like 150, 160. Retail now is 170, so I don't think it was that far off from that price, but I wasn't comfortable paying that much. These were on sale at that mom and pop shop. I don't remember what the price was, but I knew that I could have bought the sneaker, so it was probably at least 50% off. So since then, this shoe is kind of just stuck in my mind. I'm like, all right, when I get a chance to buy this shoe, I'm gonna do that. And then they re-released. I missed out on them, and now here I am with a pair from Champs Sports. So big shout out to Champs for making my childhood dreams come true. Just joking. Honestly, I have to give props to Nike, man. I have to give props because the way that they have reinvented the Air Max line countless times is incredible. I'm gonna show you something else from the Air Max line in a minute or two. The way that they've been able to revamp the 97, the 98, the Air Max 1, all these models again and again is incredible. And the way that they've been able to incorporate vapormax into these Air Max models as well is just crazy. Like, they are killing it. Nike is back on top like that. The way that Kanye West has been acting is kind of helping them a little bit, but before he went crazy, and I want to do a video on that topic. Let me know if you guys want to hear my thoughts on the whole Kanye West thing, because you know I'm kind of in an interesting place right now. I'll tell you guys about it. So a lot of my Yeezy sneakers are kind of pushed to the side, and they're just sitting there for a second. I've really been rocking my Jordan 1s and my Air Maxes and a lot of Nike sneakers recently, but I'll probably make a video on that. Let me know if you guys want to see it down in the comments. What Nike has been able to do with these 97s and 98s, I actually still don't have a pair of 98s. I need to get a pair of those, but the good colorways are reselling for a hefty amount, and I've got my eye on the prize, which is the 97 ones. That's gotta be my next Air Max pickup. I need those. If you have a pair of those 97 ones in size 11, definitely email me. All right, so moving on, I got a second pair, and this is my first pair of this specific model. You guys probably recognize this box. The colorway of these is laser orange, black, and blue Orbit, but I actually really like these for the spring and the summer. Check these joints out, man. My first pair of 270s, and this is the Flyknit edition. And this colorway is just popping. Look at that golden toe and that Orbit blue, spring and summer vibes all up in the mix with this sneaker. Check out that outsole. You get like this pinkish, almost like infrared color on that outsole, and it's that same color you see where it says Air 270 on the medial side of the sneaker. I really like how they did these with this Flyknit upper. You've got the Nike logo on the lateral side of the toe. So it's a one-piece upper, very comfortable. I've already tried these on just because I had to see how much cushioning there was. Definitely super comfortable. I was literally like walking around on my heels. It's a crazy feeling when you're wearing this sneaker. So how I would style these is like kind of what I'm rocking right now. Something very simple and toned down, and then let these things do the talking because they're so loud. Let me know if you'd like to see a how-to style video on this shoe, because you know 270s have been out for what, like 5 or 6 months now, and I don't know if there's already too many videos out there. I don't like to drop how-to style videos when there's been a ton of other videos out there. I don't like to repeat content for you guys, but let me know if you'd still like to see that video, because this shoe is different than those other 270s. I kind of want to get one of the basic pairs of 270s, and then you know I would have these. So maybe that's how I'll do it. I'll get a basic pair of 270s, and it will be like 2 sneakers in that video. If you had to choose one of these to have in your sneaker collection, which one would it be? I'm sure it would probably be these, but maybe some of you really like this 270 sneaker. It caught my eye when I first saw it, so I'm gonna end things here. Make sure you hit the thumbs up on this video and subscribe if you're new. Make sure you're following me on Twitter and Instagram. I'm at Eddie Wing Kicks if you want to see how I style these joints. A lot more videos on the way. Go check out my spring lookbook. It just dropped, so go watch that lookbook. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you later. Peace.